Today we're going to be looking at this DK-Sonic DK-90 ultrasonic cleaner that I bought from Amazon. I've been making quite a few boards lately, and with making SMD boards it's quite messy with flux, so I thought it's time to invest in an ultrasonic cleaner to save me hand cleaning them with isopropyl alcohol. So let's get started. So I bought this ultrasonic cleaner because I've been building many boards over the last few weeks, and I've been hand cleaning them with alcohol, and yeah, I thought it was time to invest in an ultrasonic cleaner to see whether it can clean my boards efficiently and properly without damaging them. So here we have the ultrasonic cleaner in its box. So like I said, it was the DK-Sonic DK-90, bought from Amazon for £40. It's got a 700ml tank, and the ultrasonic frequency there, it says, is 42 kilohertz. It's got variable times on it. So let's see if it works for what I want it to do. So looking at it, it looks like an ultrasonic cleaner. It's got its container for the ultrasonic cleaner. It's got its lid with the nice blue protective film, which will take off. I was a bit worried there was sharp edges on there, but it's not too bad. Just where it's obviously been press cut. And here's the basket where you put your goods that you want to ultrasonically clean, and an IEC mains lead stowed in the basket. So construction seems okay for the moment. Basket sits in there just below the max level line. The lid doesn't fit whilst it's on, but maybe we can fold the handles down and put the lid on. So let's fill it up with some cleaning solution. So I'm just using alcohol, as we'll be cleaning flux. So I'm using some 99.9 IPA alcohol. So we're just nicely up to the maximum line there. Now these are the boards that I've been making, my VCO boards, and because they're SMD, I've been using lots of flux, and obviously it's sticky, messy. So yes, that's why I bought the ultrasonic cleaner, to give these a good cleaning. So I've put them in, we've got it powered on. Now with the time button at the front, we can select different amount of times. So these are seconds, and then it goes to minutes, all the way up to 30 minutes. So I'm not sure how long to run it for. So I've got it set on 18 minutes at the moment, as these boards are quite caked with flux. Now I should have spread them out a little bit more evenly. But there, we've turned it on. It's making a nice noise. I'm really interfering with the microphone and on the recording device. So I've spread the boards out a little bit more this time, because some of them were actually stuck together with the flux. So let's carry on with the cleaning cycle and see what happens. So after 18 minutes, take one of my boards out, and apart from a little bit of alcohol residue, which will dry off and wipe off, it looks like all the flux is gone. So there, I've just wiped the board, and sure enough, all the flux has gone and the board looks nice and clean. So, closer inspection of the board, and yep, all the flux has gone. Looks like it's done its job. So I'm just having a look at a couple of the other boards, and yep, all the flux has gone. Nice job. Much easier than to have to hand clean them. So we're going to try this board and see how it cleans normal flux that's come from solder instead of tube flux. So after 10 minutes or so, all the flux has gone off where I've soldered the IC socket. Board looks nice and clean. No more flux residue. Excellent. So let's try another board. This is one of my mid-band UK40 boards. As you can see, there's flux around where I've soldered. So we put it in the ultrasonic bath, running it for about 10 minutes. See how it does. As you can see, the countdown timer on the front. It's counting down quite nicely. Lots of activity in the actual ultrasonic bath itself. Let's have a look. It seems to be cleaning it quite well. In fact, most of the flux has actually disappeared. So we'll run it for a little bit longer. Now we took it out, dried it off, and yep, board nice and clean. Excellent. So there's our ultrasonic cleaner, the DK-Sonic DK-90, and the board that we've cleaned. And sure enough, all the flux residue has disappeared, and the board is nice and clean now. So I think I'm happy with my purchase. Seems to be cleaning boards quite well. So I just need to work out now how long to put boards in for the optimum cleaning time. Anyway, hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again.